Welcome to Sheri-Fun Vibe, the place for travel tidbits, promotions, giveaways, and much, much more. As our name suggests, we are your resort specialist. And today, we're pleased to offer 3 fantastic resorts at breathtaking prices. From now to the end of January, we have an extraordinary pricing available for the Iberostar property. That includes the beach, the suites, and the grand. But we're focusing on the beach and the suites in this presentation. Now, my personal preference for families is a suite. And that is because it allows you to stay at one hotel and play at 2. You have twice as much dining options, twice as much activities with the Vibrant Animations team, and yes, you guessed it, unlimited use of the hydrotherapy area and the wellness section of the spa. Why is this important, you may ask? Well, even without doing a massage, you get the amazing benefits of the sauna, steam room, jacuzzi, hot and cold plunge pools, heated beds, and healthy shakes and juices. They also have a fully equipped gym along with a personal trainer that's available on a timetable. For select dates in January, take advantage of pricing ranging from US $139 per person per night based on double occupancy to US $178 per person per night based on double. And of course, surprisingly, in the month of January, we are taking 2-night stays. So that is a treat for everyone who really just wants to get away. For all of you who really know me, you know that I have had a love affair with the Grand Palladium Resort since their opening in 2008. We have had many successful couples retreats, destination weddings, and family getaways to this outstanding property. There's so much to do at the Grand Palladium, and with preferential rates all the way through April 9th of 2017, there is never a better time to take it all in. This property offers basketball, mini golf, non-motorized water sports, world-class fitness center, complete with a lazy river, hydrotherapy area, sports bar, and so much more. Did I mention that all rooms are junior suites and suites? Yes. There is so much space just to lounge, to hang out, and to give your body the well-needed rest it deserves. Our newly refurbished Lady Hamilton property now offers room service, so you can sip your morning brew on your balcony, enjoy exotic fruits, and simply take in the lush Caribbean gardens or, of course, the Caribbean Sea. Do not forget to check out Bulba for award-winning steak and seafood. That incidentally serves up some of the best steak this side of, should I say heaven? Well, you can tell me what you think. My favorite hangout spot, though, is the Poseidon Cove. This offers water sports, lounge chairs in the water, and family fun. Do not neglect the Spanish paella, as this is made fresh every day right on the beach side, and it's loaded with cubes of meat, fish, and seafood. And of course, you will not go away without the jerk pork and the jerk chicken. We now have the Save the Date out for Couples Retreat 2017. This will be on Heroes Weekend, October 14th through 17th at the Melia Braco Resorts. Early bookings are available and early discounts as well. So I would encourage you to go right ahead and book now for couples retreats. Today, we are offering a chance to win a gift certificate to that special person who makes a booking for any cruise or resort package before January 31st. Increase your chances of winning by referring friends and family to book as well. Oh my goodness, hot off the press! Norwegian has extended their reduced deposit of $50 per person to this weekend. I tell you, Friday was crazy as persons were trying so hard to cash in on the reduced deposit. I think Norwegian said, no, we cannot allow persons to miss on this. So we have gotten 5 full days more to select our sailing, round up the troops, and get ready to sail away. Remember, at Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited, it's all about the fun. Ciao for now.